Next students, here question arises, can the cell cycle go on endlessly, that we have repeated or revised that new cells formed, follow interphase, karyokinesis, cytokinesis, new cell formed, whether this process keeps on going repeatedly? No. The answer is very big no. It means what happens, there are some conditions, these undergoes a regulatory mechanism, means what happens, at some places it stops permanently, at some places temporarily, and at other till it is needed, means need based. So conditions हैं, whether what is the condition of the organ, according to that cells can stop dividing permanently, cell can stop dividing temporarily, or cell can divide on the need base. Let us see or discuss with the example. First we will take the example that brain cells are called nerve cells. These are formed once in the embryo डेवलपमेंट के टाइम पे जो बन गए, डू नॉट डिवाइड फर्दर, दे डू नॉट डिवाइड आफ्टर बर्थ, एंड सो दैट इज वाई वंस डेड they are not repeated. That is why memory becomes weaker with the age. As age grows, what happens, our memory becomes weaker. Because memory becomes weaker, why? Because brain cells, nerve cells, new cells are not formed, and older cells are becoming damaged or destroyed by the age. So next example is given, liver cells. These cells may divide only once every 1 to 2 years, means 1 to 2 years में repeat होते हैं, otherwise they regularly क्या होते हैं, they do not divide. Now next is surface skin. Our cells are continuously lost and replaced by the underlying cells. Continuously replace किए जाते हैं skin cells. A large portion of household dust contains human skin cells. And इतने ज़्यादा repeatedly होते हैं कि अगर household dust में भी अगर देखा जाए तो there is a large portion of what, skin cells. The powdery material that comes off from your skin on scratching or on hard rubbing, if you scratch your skin, what happens, you get some powdery material. What is that? Those are all dead cells, skin cells. So in case of plants, we can also say that their plants are also growing, and the growing points in plants, that is meristems, divides rapidly. Growing points कौन से हैं plants में? They are shoot tips and root tips. They are growing. So leaves, buds and flowers all are growing cells, और इनमें क्या होता है, continuously cell division. उसके अलावा specialized germinal cells in the ovaries and testes of in animals, and in the ovary and anther in plants. Plants and animals में special organs हैं, reproductive organs, ovaries and testes, and in case of plants this is ovary and anthers. And in these parts of the cells, what of the body of the organism, they undergo different type of division, that is meiosis. It means that reproductive organs undergo a different type of division, that is called meiosis. It is the process of meiosis is not in your syllabus, but you have to know what actually this process is. So our answer to our question that can the cell go on endlessly divide? No, cell endlessly divide नहीं करता, it divides according to the need. Okay, now next is what is meiosis. It is also called reduction division or producing gametes. Meiosis is the kind of cell division that produces sex cells or gametes, means gametes or reproductive organs में ही possible है. It takes place in the reproductive organs, testes or ovaries in humans to produce sperms and ova, and in the flowering plants it takes place in anthers and ovaries to produce pollen grains. What actually happens, not in syllabus but still we are discussing that, suppose this is a cell of ovary or testes or anther or flower ovary. Now it is diploid. Diploid means it has a double set of chromosomes. Suppose here are shown 6 chromosomes. So chromosomes condense, first stage will what, chromosomes condense. यहाँ पे 6 chromosomes show करे हैं, 3 from male showing with different color and 3 from female showing with different color. So what happens in the first stage, chromosomes condense means they get thicker. Now what happens in the next stage? These chromosomes pair up, homologous chromosomes pair up, one from male, other from female, one from male, other from female, male and female. These chromosomes get arrange themselves in homologous pairs. Now what happens? The splitting of chromosomes longitudinally, they will divide longitudinally. They will divide longitudinally means they will separate, and what will happen? They will separate and will divide it into two new cells according to what? One from each pair to new cell, one from each pair, one from each pair, and one from each pair. Now next what happened? This is called reduction division, because what happened? The 2n number has been divided equally into two halves, that is n and n, means diploid number is divided into haploid. That is why this meiosis is called reduction division, because chromosome number has been reduced to half. In initial stage it was 6 in number, now it is divided into two cells equally, or that is each cell has 3 chromosomes. Now at this stage these cells undergo second division, which is as similar to mitosis. All the stages are repeated like mitosis. And what will happen? Each cell will produce 2 new cells, and ultimately what we see, that the original cell has produced 4 daughter cells. So it is the sum up of the meiosis. You will just learn its significance. And let us see what is its significance. Meiosis का chromosome number is half, already we discussed it. Chromosome number half हो जाता है. Next it provides for mixing up of genes. एक और important function इसका ये है कि जब यहाँ पे ये पेयरिंग करते हैं, what happens? पेयरिंग के टाइम पे ये क्रोमेटिड्स की जो है वो क्या हो जाती है? क्रॉसिंग ओवर पॉसिबल है एंड न्यू रिकॉम्बिनेंट्स आर फॉर्म्ड. सो this is very important significance of meiosis. The maternal and paternal chromosomes get mixed up during the first reduction division first जो है उसके टाइम पे जब ये लाइन अप होते हैं, देन यहाँ पे कुछ जीन्स की क्रॉसिंग ओवर हो जाती है और नए रिकॉम्बिनेंट्स बनते हैं. सो क्रॉसिंग ओवर अकर्स इन व्हाट? इन केस ऑफ meiosis. सो न्यू कॉम्बिनेंट्स, नई चेंजेस जो हैं वो पॉसिबल हैं. That's all. You will write and learn difference between mitosis and meiosis also. Thank you.